In this video, I am going to show you how to remove virus from your iPhone or how to find virus on your iPhone. In this video, I will tell you. So in the three way you can find and you can remove your virus on your iPhone. Let's start it, guys. If you like this video, then like please. You can subscribe to my channel for my next video. I can make it. So in this video, I will tell you how you can remove your virus or you can find on your any iPhone. First, you have to just open your mobile settings and go to the last. Now you can find apps options in your iPhone settings. Click on the apps options. Then now you have to just click on the search bar and the search Safari browser. After searching the Safari, you need to open Safari browser. After opening the Safari browser, now go to the last page. Click on the advanced options. You have to just find and click on advanced options. After clicking the advanced options, now you can see website data on the top. Click on the website data. You can find your Safari browser. If you're using Safari browser, they have some website will be open and you will know which one websites are open. So now you can find many websites or sites will be open. Sometimes they will be automatically open on your device. So you have to just click on the, and this all you have to just clear cache and clear data. So click on the scroll down. Now you can find remove all website data. You have to just do these settings. Click on the remove all website data. After clicking, now you can see remove now options you can find. Click on the remove now. Now your Safari browser and you have any virus or any website will be open, then you are safe now, because now this setting will be remove your all virus or any third-party sites on your Safari browser. Do this first settings. Now second settings, second steps. So go to the back and now you have to just open your settings once again. Go to back and now you have to just, after going the back, now you can find here general options on your iPhone. Click on the general options. After clicking the general options, now you can find here software update. Click on the software update. Now you can find the automatic update options have, and you can check your iPhone is updated or not. If your iPhone is not updated, so please do the update, because if you're doing your iPhone update time to time, so you will be not facing any problem or virus, because your mobile will be secure. So now you have to just go to the software update and check it your software update and click on the automatic updates options. Now you can see security response and system files. You have to just click on these options and turn on these options, and click on the iOS updates options. Turn on these three settings, and now you have to just find any update on your iPhone. You can do at least iOS 18.71. Otherwise you can update your, click on the automatic updates and turn on these all settings, because your iPhone will be automatically updated. Then your iPhone will be safe and secure. Do these settings. And last option is you have to just reset your iPhone. And this is the most important setting. First, open your file. Click on the find and file. Open the file. After opening the file, now you can see here this button have the browser. Click on the browser. Now you can check on download options. You will find the download options and find any virus file on your file managers. So you can click on the press on hold button and you have to just delete. And if you find virus file, then you have to just delete on this. Doing this setting, now your file will be deleted from your files. Now you have to just do the reset your iPhone. So how you can reset your iPhone? So first you need to click on the power button and downside power button, and last will be click and hold press power button. First I will do this. See now, volume up button press, volume down button press. Now you can last power button press and hold. Don't remove your finger from your power button. When you will, your phone will be not switch off. After switch off, don't remove your finger. When logos come, remove your finger. When Apple logos come, then you can remove your finger and your iPhone will be reset. Now you have to just do these settings, and if you find any virus, then you can remove this doing settings method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, then please like this video and you can support me clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.